Art isn't dying because of AI, it's evolving. Around the world, artists are learning that artificial intelligence isn't a threat, it's a collaborator. Hi, I'm Cynthia, and today we'll explore how human imagination and machine intelligence are creating something entirely new. When most people think of AI art, they picture programs that instantly generate images or songs. But here's the truth. The best art still begins with human ideas. Artists use AI as a tool, like a digital paintbrush that helps them explore new styles, forms, and emotions. For example, some illustrators feed their sketches into AI models to experiment with lighting, texture, or surreal twists they might never have imagined alone. Musicians use AI to remix sounds, generate harmonies, or even co-compose full tracks, while keeping their unique emotional touch at the center. In film and photography, creators are using AI to design futuristic worlds, de-age actors, or simulate lighting setups before shooting a single frame. But here's what's most powerful. AI helps artists break creative blocks. It can spark fresh directions, uncover hidden patterns, and speed up technical work, freeing humans to focus on what machines can't replicate: meaning. As one digital artist said, AI doesn't replace my creativity, it expands it. So, can AI be a creative partner? Absolutely, but only when humans lead the dance. The art of the future won't be made by AI alone. It will be made with AI, by visionaries who see technology not as competition, but as collaboration. Oh, what do you think? Would you ever use AI to create art, music, or design? Let's talk in the comments below. I'm curious to hear your creative perspective. And see you in the next videos.